Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time seeing one of my videos. My name is Lauren, and today I am opening one of the Sleeping Beauty 60th Anniversary Mystery Pin Collection boxes. I was lucky enough to have someone pick up a box for me during the pin event over the weekend, and it got to me really super fast, and it came in the mail today. I'm not a Sleeping Beauty collector by any means, but the last week sometime I was actually looking at my pin board, and I was kind of shocked at the amount of Aurora pins that I had, just because I've always liked the movie, but it's never been one of my favorites. But then I was also trying to figure out different Mother's Day and Father's Day pins. So I was trying to think of different Disney dads and Disney moms for those different pin boards. And it was easy for me to come up with like a bunch of Disney dads, but when I was trying to think of Disney moms, that was a little bit harder. So I did a Google search, and when I was doing my Google search, I realized that the mom's name in Sleeping Beauty is actually Queen Leah, which is my mom's name. So I thought that was super cool, and you don't see her in a lot of pins, but in this particular collection, she is in here twice. So I am actually hoping to get at least one of the pins featuring her, particularly the one with her holding baby Aurora, but either one or both would be great. So if I get at least one of those, I'll be happy. But I actually like most of the pins in this collection. I think they did a really good job with them, and I like the fact that it's in like storybook form from the beginning of the movie. I just thought that was a super unique idea that each of the pins tells a part of the story. So let's open it up and see what two pins we can get from this box. Alright, so I went ahead and opened the box and pre-cut the black baggies, just because I'm doing this one-handed. I actually was filming my February Bibbidi Bobbidi box unboxing, but when I went to put my phone on the tripod, it broke. So I hope you guys don't mind that the next couple of videos, or I don't even know how many videos, are going to be kind of point of view style until I can find a new one. But with that being said, let's just go ahead and see which pins we got. These pins are really big, by the way. Okay. Let me see if I can actually get this out with one hand. I might just have to. It's not wanting to come out. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm actually really happy with this one because it is one of the pins that feature Queen Leah, and she is with King Stefan. And the quote on this says, "In a faraway land long ago lived a king and his fair queen." So it's the very beginning of the story. I love the fact that it's got like a bookmark detail right in the middle, and then like roses on the bottom and the corner on the top. Alright. Second pen. And the second pen that we got is Maleficent and a couple of the guards. Maleficent in her human form and a couple of the guards. And the quote on this one says, "Fearful of Maleficent's curse, King Stefan decreed that all spinning wheels in his kingdom be burned." So it was right after Maleficent threatened to put Aurora into a deep slumber. Right after she cursed Aurora. Alright, so overall I am really happy with the two that I got. I'm really happy that I at least got one pin featuring Queen Leah, and I might actually trade this Maleficent pin and see if I can get the one of Queen Leah holding baby Aurora, because that was the one out of the two featuring her that I really wanted, but we'll see if that happens or not. But that is it for this short unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye!